Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Salem Elementary in Salem, Michigan. And specifically, I spoke to the after-school program here, the Kids Club group of students this afternoon. And it was such an heartwarming experience getting to talk to grades K through 5 and the students that really opened their hearts to me before and after the program. Just a lot of love in the room and a lot of kindness, and you could really start to feel that as we went through today's program. And what was so beautiful about today's assembly, if you want to call it that, was that the focus was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at the heart first, right? Seeing somebody for who they truly are inside. You treat people the same way that you're going to treat your best friend. And a lot of them that shared with me, after the program that I really touched their heart. I said, well, that's great, because that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift with other people by how you choose to treat that person. Going forward, how you choose to even treat yourself, because a big concept that we talk about is how hurt people, which can also be ourselves. If we think negatively, then that hurts our heart, or it can also hurt others by how we push that pain onto them. But regardless of hurt people who hurt people, we can make a choice to become healed people who heal people. And as they start to really witness that through the inspirational videos that we played for them, the positive music, the hip hop music that they definitely related to, along with just some very touching stories about students their age all across this nation that have reached out to me in pain, but still have chosen to try to show love despite what they've been through, the hard times. And that's really what character's all about, right? And also understanding our worth and our value, which leads into the M on my shirt, the miracle, and on my hand that I traced here with washable marker, and this M with the lines in each of our palms. We have letter M, at least one on each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we are beautiful miracles worthy of love, to both give it and to receive it. And when we start to know our own value, then we also understand that for those that don't believe this or have never heard this or need a reminder, that we can be that light to their heart. And to get that concept at a young age is huge. To know that you can make a difference at a young age is even huger. And it was just incredible for me to start to see the impression and the sponge-like nature of these young brains, to see that they're getting sparked and see that they're picking up this torch to bring the kindness that they want to see to their community, right? To their homes, to their neighborhoods, to their schools, to their after-school programs, that they understand the power that they have at a young age. And it just takes a few seconds to potentially change a life forever, positive or negative. Hopefully we choose positive. Thank you again for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Special thanks again to the South Lyon Community Coalition for sponsoring today's program. More about them in the video description link that you'll see for this particular clip. And feel free, and as always, to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out the playlist of other videos that may just touch your heart here that you'll see. And you can also visit my website through the other link on the screen to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.